For this one here, this is Chapter 10, Section 3, Number 27. Of the 60 theater performances, a critic reviewed 25 are comedies. She gave favorable reviews to 11 of the comedies, unfavorable reviews to the 18 of the comedies. Fill in the table. So, 25 comedies you got favorable. You can do the difference and see how many unfavorable there were. So 14 got unfavorable for comedies. And then we know that 60 overall, 25 were comedies, so there were 35 that were non-comedies. And of those 35, 18 had unfavorable reviews. 18 had 35. 18 had non-favorable reviews. So how many had? So you can say 35 minus 18. Here, 17. Okay, so now they want you to do a Venn diagram. And they give you choices here. They are going to be similar to this right here. Comedies and favorable. So we look at these in the blocks here. So we know that we have a comedy here and overlap with favorable. So we know that for comedies, there's 25. And for favorable, there's what? 10, 11, 29 there. So they ask questions about it. So we know there's a total of 25 here. Okay. So how many comedies were favorable? How many comedies were favorable? That's the overlap here. 11. How many comedies were favorable? Okay. Since we know there are 25, there were 14 that were non-favorable. So they're not going to be inside the favorable ones here. Okay. So we look at the one for favorable here. We know that we have 11 here. So outside of that 11 is going to be 17. So that contains all the favorable ones there. Now, she interviewed how many overall? She interviewed 60 overall. So we have 11 plus, we have 14 plus 11 plus 17. So that's going to be 5. 7 and 5. 12. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. 42. So 60 minus 42 is 18. So there are going to be 18 people outside the circle. Because there's 60 people overall. Okay. So we know that there was comedies were total was 15. And this right here was 20. Was that favorable? 28. Yeah. And that's how then you pick your graph. And there's your graph right there. Then he asked the question, how many comedies received unfavorable reviews? So you look at the table here. How many comedies received unfavorable reviews? 14. How many non-comedies received favorable reviews? How many non-comedies? Non-comedies, 17. And that's all they ask you to do there.